Here I'll be teaching you guys the easiest way to trading the boom and crash market. Most traders are yet to figure out how to trade the boom and crash market effectively and profitably. They are still finding it difficult predicting the boom and crash market. There is no special thing about the boom and crash market, if not on how it gives the crash and spike moves. Right, it moves like every other market. It has the same market reading, it has the same market movement, the same level formations every other market forms. The only difference is the movement. The boom and crash market moves in drops and ticks. Right, so how do we actually predict this market effectively? Normal market structure, how we spot our levels and zones, our key levels on every other market, is the same thing we do on the boom and crash market. Like we got the C1000 index on the daily time frame chart, we can see that we have a level of support, right? And when we look at this market structure, there's something similar. Analysis is all about using past market movements or past market reactions to predict future market movements. So we got this level identified, this level in particular, we got it identified, and there's a similar movement that occurs at this level. You can see that on price selling to this zone, it gave the first buys to the upside. We got this first market movement to the upside, which we didn't really get a big upward move. So we got the second approach at this point, second approach of this level, and we still got price do what? Give the move to the upside. So if price can give the first and second approach of this level and buy from it, regardless of the crash nature of this index, then why can't we still predict market coming to the same level and giving the buy move from this zone? And you can see that market actually did that. Market came to this zone and gave the buy to the upside, still came back to the same level again and gave the buy move to the upside, right? So now we're expecting another approach of this level, which price is yet to get to. We're expecting another approach at this zone, so we should expect a common movement, which is price rejecting from this zone, giving the buy move from this identified level, right? So why is market actually selling from this zone? We can see that we got price create this what? Lower high formation. We got the first high at this zone. Identifying this market structure, we can see that there was a level at this point. There was a level at this zone. This was a level of support. On how we identify the support and resistance levels on every other market, and saying that if a level of support gets broken, it turns to resistance. The same thing happens on the boom and crash market. We can see how this level of support, which we got price by multiple times. Let's identify the market reactions on this level. We got the first buys at this zone, right? The second buys at this point, to tell you that this is a strong level of support, a level that price has always reacted on. So we got the third buys at that zone, the fourth buys at this point as a support. Now price broke below this level of support. Whenever a level of support is broken, it turns to resistance. So on price breaking below this level, we can see that price sold massively to the downside. Now coming back to this same identified level and giving the retest on its support level broken, now turn to a resistance. Adding to this market structure, this lower highs market is forming. The same market structure we identify on every other market, the same market structure we spot and trade alongside with, is also the same thing we do on the boom and crash market. So we got price creates this first highs, creates the second highs at this zone, on a lower high, third highs at this point, a lower high. Now we've been able to identify this market structure, and we can tell that this market is on a downtrend. This market is bearish basically. So if price can give a break of this level of support, we should expect a higher probability of price selling from this same level, creating a new lower high formation at this point, creating a new lower high formation at this zone. You can see how price gave the approach of this level, gave the buys to the upside, came to test this broken level of support, now sold to the downside the second time, the first time at this point, the second time at this zone, right? So market is basically on a downtrend, and we got the last lower high at this zone. So why is market selling from this current level basically? Why is market selling from this zone? We can see that we got price give this two double top formation, which is a bearish reversal pattern formation. The first highs at that zone and the second highs at this point. So we can see clearly that on price creating this double top formation, which is a bearish reversal pattern, there was a neckline that was formed, which is at this zone. And we all know that on every reversal pattern we have a neckline. So this is a bearish reversal pattern formation. So on price breaking below this neckline, we should expect something simple, which is a break and retest of the neckline for the sell move to the downside, which price actually did at this zone, which is the same price action market approach we use on every other market. A break and retest of the neckline, then the sell to the downside. You can see how price broke this neckline, give a retest on the sell to the downside. Price to do the same thing at this zone, retested this neckline properly, and is selling to the downside. So my prediction on this index is for price to sell to this identified level for the buy move to the upside. So this is a level of support that we got price react on 4 times. So if price can come to this zone, there's still a possibility of market buying from this identified zone. So my prediction is for price to give the sell move to the downside for possible buys from this zone. So that's this, guys. That's how to trade the boom and crash market using the simple price action market approach. So hit the like button for more trade teachings like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate the support for this engaging in my videos. It really means a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.